I think a very interesting topic is automotive and where we're actually heading to, not just from AI perspective with automotive, but in general as a society, and for example, the concept of self-driving cars and how we can change our mindset into new ways of accepting technology and looking into how we can optimize not just, for example, our own daily lives, but the entire city ecosystem can completely change because we wouldn't use cars for individuals, but we would use, for example, vehicles that would have a self-driving option that would allow you to do so many other things while you're on the commute, but then it would be customized for a group of people rather for individuals. So there's so many interesting things when you think about that and the future around it, and then you zoom in a little bit more and then you start thinking about UI, how that's going to develop, a voice activation, and all of these micro little interactions. I don't know, there's so much beautiful thinking around that. I'm very excited about the fact that there's going to be a course in here where you can actually learn about that, and hearing such an amazing talk about this topic and such an amazing teacher has really even got me inspired about this topic and where we're heading into a future with that, and the holistic mindset you need to apply not just to what I'm used to on 2 dimensions, but on 3 dimensions, and a complexity that adds that really raised a lot of passion and intrigue in me.
I think the fact that there is a course around autonomous vehicles, not just, vehicle design has been around for a long time, but a design course being developed for the future that we're looking at now is incredibly valuable and important. That I think I see a lot of people seeing how AI is changing the way we're already doing things. So having people, and especially for new designers, not going around the way we have done schooling and education as we always had, and kind of throwing them out in the wild, but preparing them for this wild new future that even those of us that have been in the industry for a long time are kind of scared of. I think it gives an opportunity for the new generation of designers to be prepared and maybe even teach us that have been in the industry for a while something new.
And I think a very interesting also fact about this is that there's such a saturation in a digital design, but there's not enough kind of thinking about a actual future of the industrial product design. And there's an interesting mind shift that we can start applying, because the knowledge that we have from a digital design can then be elevated into thinking about these new ways of developing such an important product moving forward.